Oasys is gaming layer 1 blockchain. Oasys' goal is bridging existing gaming space and also the IP holder and the Web3 the space. Our team started 6 years ago. Then we launched first game. Then we became a #1 developer on ETH. When you try to start to trade a new assets as on-chain products, security is the most important things. The people will be being afraid to touch the new chain, new product. But if the security is solid, people can easily move your assets, bridge your asset. So the security is fundamental, make a good reputation and also good products and increase the TVL while creating the value of the token and the chain. When I visit institutional investors, like liquid fund, hedge fund, and some financial hub, Hong Kong, or Singapore, or New York City, institutional investors said, have you integrated the BitGo or integrating with secure custodian is very important to be traded. There's a long history of hacking, of a security incident. Bitcoin has been secured the assets for a long time. We can put a trust on the BitGo with their track records, also and physically and systemically really secure. The meme coin crash is now happening. In terms of the price, it's really bad. The price is going down, but we're going to the next phase. So issuing like a joke coin as a meme coin has been over. Okay, the element still survives. Dogecoin and Pepe coin still surviving, but it's not a joke is not a mainstream. I think we should bring proper value into this space. But the things we learned from the meme coin movement is we should put the token onto the center of the product, then add the other elements to the token, community or actual products like game or art and music, etc., etc. So that was the lesson from meme coin, but it clashes. It's a shock. It's like a video game crashing in 1980s, I think. Then after that, proper game console and came from Japan. I hope we can create the next future of the Web3 gaming after the crash. I think we can be a bridge between that. Yeah, delivering the good products and also with the good crypto market.